You're motivated. You've got goals. You know you're built for more, but you're still stuck, still scrolling, still skipping the work. Let's stop lying about why. You're not broken. You're comfortable. And comfort is the silent killer of greatness. Laziness doesn't always look like sitting on the couch. Sometimes it looks like planning for weeks, watching success videos all day, telling yourself tomorrow, while nothing in your life changes. This isn't a motivation video. You already want the life. This is about why wanting isn't enough. 1. Your standards change with your emotions. Some days you're locked in. Other days you're tired. One week you're disciplined. The next week you're back to junk food, excuses, and telling yourself next month. Every time you break your word, you weaken your identity. You teach your mind, we only act when we feel good. That's why your discipline collapses under pressure. Champions don't operate on moods. They operate on non-negotiables. If your goals are real, your feelings don't matter. You show up anyway. 2. You love the idea, but you're scared of the process. You want the body, the business, the freedom, but you avoid the training, the rejection, the early mornings, the sacrifice. The idea gives you dopamine. The process gives you discomfort. And you keep choosing dopamine. That's why nothing changes. Ambition trapped in fantasy builds nothing. Reality demands effort, pressure, and failure. If you're not ready for discomfort, you're not ready to win. 3. You don't have a system. You have spikes. Random motivation. Random effort. Random, I'm gonna change my life moments. But no structure. Adrenaline fades. Systems don't. The people winning aren't more motivated than you. They've built routines that force consistency even when they're tired, stressed, or unmotivated. You don't need more hype. You need structure. A machine that moves even when you don't feel like moving. 4. You want the results without becoming the man. You want money without sacrifice, strength without discipline, peace without inner war. Life doesn't reward ambition. It rewards alignment. You don't get the outcome and then become the man. You become the man and then the outcome becomes inevitable. Build the traits, raise the standards, sharpen the habits, or even if success arrives, you won't be able to hold it. 5. You're waiting to feel ready, and that day never comes. You keep telling yourself, when things calm down, when life gets easier, when I have more time. Let me tell you the truth. That moment does not exist. Winners didn't start when they were ready. They started scared. They started imperfect. And every tiny action built the confidence you're waiting for. Action first. Clarity later. Discipline after that. Stop waiting for motivation. Start building momentum. Final challenge. You're not stuck because you're broken. You're stuck because you have ambition with no system, desire without discipline, drive without direction. So here's your challenge. Pick one area you've been talking about instead of working on. Fitness, focus, finances, anything. Write it down. Build one rule, one schedule, one standard. And don't break it, no matter how you feel. That's how you kill laziness. That's how you turn ambition into results. Not through hype, through consistent action. Motivation fades. Systems stay. Decide who you are, then prove it daily.